Hello everyone, this is the video explanation for how to interface an ultrasonic sensor with Arduino using TinkerCAD. An ultrasonic sensor is an electronic device that measures the distance of an object or obstacle via ultrasonic sound waves, and it converts the reflected ultrasonic wave into electrical signals. TinkerCAD platform, it basically offers seamless integration with the Arduino IDE, enabling us to write and upload custom code to our Arduino board. So this is the circuit diagram for the ultrasonic distance sensor. Basically, these are the components which we have used, the Arduino Uno R3 and the ultrasonic distance sensor. The components is available over here. We can drag and drop to the circuit diagram. The HCSR04 is the ultrasonic sensor which we have used, and it has two circular structure, the transmitter over here, which is T, and the receiver R. The transmitter transmits the ultrasonic sound while the receiver receives the reflected signal. Arduino Uno R3 is a microcontroller board that is based on the Atmega 328P. It consists of the digital and the analog pins, input and output pins that are interfaced with the ultrasonic sensor. The Arduino Uno IDE consists of a serial monitor that displays the output. The circuit connection is as follows. So the ultrasonic sensor has four pins. The VCC, which is connected to the VCC is connected to the 5 volt in the VCC is connected to the 5 volt in the Arduino, which is shown in this red color wire. The trig, which is connected to the pin 10 of the Arduino, which is shown in this green color wire. So the trigger is used as a transmitter. So this pin is used to transmit the sound from the ultrasonic sensor. Trigger should be high. It is connected to the digital pin of the Arduino and used as the output pin. The echo is connected to the pin 9 of Arduino. Echo is used as a receiver. It receives the sound. It is connected to the digital pin of the Arduino and used as an input pin. So, and then the fourth pin, the ground, it is connected to the ground of the Arduino, which is shown in the purple color. Let's move on to the code explanation. So, first we have to declare the variable and pins which we have used. So here the trig pin is connected to the 10 pin of the Arduino and the echo pin is connected to the 9 pin. Time and distance are the variables which we'll be using later to calculate the time and distance of the obstacle from the ultrasonic distance sensor. There are two loops in the code, void setup and the void loop. The void setup code here is run only once, but the void loop, it runs continuously to measure the distance. In the void setup loop function, the trig pin is connected to the digital pin of the Arduino is set as the output. So the 10th pin is set to the set as the output, and the echo pin, which is the 9th pin, is set to the input. And serial begin, it is basically to start the communication. The next function is the void loop. So this loop repeats, as I said, it repeats continuously. And initially the transmitter has to be low, so thus we have to clear the trig pin, that is the 10th of it, by setting it as a low. And next we have to lower or delay this pin for 2 microseconds. Now the trig pin is set as high to activate the transmitter and to transmit the ultrasonic signal. And a delay of 10 microseconds is given before transmitting another signal. Now we have to lower the trig pin again to clear. So to receive the signal, the echo pin is made high, that is, which is the 9th pin. Transmitted signal is received by the receiver at the time of flight. So the time taken to receive the signal is calculated in microseconds. Here the pulse in function is used to read the length of the pulse from the echo pin. So through this time, we calculate the distance of the object or any obstacle in the path by using the formula, that is, distance is equal to time of flight into 0.034 divided by 2, which is this used to calculate distance of object. Then we divide by 2 because the signal strikes the object and bounces back to the receiver. So thus they do not want to find the total distance traveled, but only the distance between the transmitter and the object. Now we print the distance measured here. So to simulate the project and output can be seen in the serial monitor. So let's start the simulation. So in the serial monitor, we can see the distance, which is uh, distance from the obstacle and the ultrasonic sound. So this is the obstacle. So now it's showing his 98. So if I move it farther, then it shows 110, 138, 147. So if I move it a little bit closer, it shows 60, 50, 40. We can vary the distance of the obstacle, and we can calculate the distance from the ultrasonic distance sensor. So this is about the interface of ultrasonic sensor with Arduino using TinkerCAD. I'll stop simulation. Thank you.